I'm not sure that I know where we are going. It's kind of a dam in the middle of nowhere. This is the south of the Sea of Galilee, Jordan Valley, quite hot. I've never been there. Today you can see a lot of people. First of all, it's the tour guide group, but the rest, as I believe, are the Muslims of Israel. We are celebrating Eid al-Adha. This is the 4th day of Eid al-Adha. And we're going to see something that I've never been in. All right. It's a Jordan River, guys, but this is the unknown part of it. Whoa, what's happening here? Whoa. Now I can tell you why I don't know, why I didn't know about it, because they opened it lately at 2024, like less than here. Then let's start with the beginning. This is the Jordan River. That is the place that I know. And as you can see, there is kind of a block that clean the water. You cannot, the rest that you will see will be cleaner. And they built here a dam because they are afraid that one day the Sea of Galilee will be 100% full, which happened once or twice. And then they will release the water that goes to the Dead Sea from here. Now, why the people are using those water? And here, see the last man standing there? Because this is the clean water of the Sea of Galilee. But there, they're adding the sewage of... No, don't be afraid. They're purifying the sewage here, and they're adding it to there, and it goes to the Dead Sea. The sewage of that area is 100% clean. You can drink it. You can use it for agriculture. And this is such an important thing in Israel. 100% of the sewage of Israel is clean. We are purifying everything. Then you saw another place of the Jordan River that I never been in. The original Jordan River. And I'm standing on the dam. Beautiful, isn't it? All right, guys. Let me take you to the car. On the way you might see something that I hope that you will be able to see. But on the way, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Be part of my family. And I will do that quickly. Then let me run. Yes. Let me run. Because this is my ride. And he will go without me. I'm just going to the field. Oh, I'm running. Just to show you one thing that I saw today. And I didn't take a video of it, but I want you to see it. Meanwhile, remember subscribing. Please send that video and the link of my YouTube channel to everyone. Don't forget to use my Facebook and my Facebook and my Instagram site as well. There are more information there as well. It's the same name. The Holy Land by Zahi. Can you hear the Arabic music? Alright, that's what I wanted you to see. Watermelon field. I don't know how many times you saw it. And Golan Heights, right there. Jordan, the country, is right there too. Oh gosh, what is doing? Thank you for being with me. See you in my next video.